Good morning, students. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, healthy, and safe at home. And, children, today I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, our industries. Okay, so let's start. So, the resources provided by nature fulfill most of our needs. Resources. So, what do you mean by the resources? Do you know about it? So resources or the resource is any material that satisfy our needs जो हमारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करता है ठीक है it is a wind, it is air, water and all the things which are provided by the nature like grains है ना and so many types of crops also and minerals also. Okay, so many of these resources however cannot be used directly. Okay, so can we use wheat, cotton, tea leaves, logs of woods and iron ore directly? We can use them? No, we cannot. Why? Because they are raw materials. So we need to convert them into finished goods such as bread, cloth, tea, furniture and utensils before we can use them. Okay, so we can make bread from wheat. So wheat is a raw material. We can make clothes from cotton. So cotton is a raw material. And again, we can make tea from tea leaves. We can make furniture from wood. So wood is a raw material. And utensils from iron ore. So iron ore is a raw material. Okay. And raw materials are converted into finished goods in a factory. Clear? Now come to the one more important thing because our topic is industries. So what do you mean by the industry? Do you know about it? Okay, let's see. So the process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को मशीन्स के थ्रू यूज़ करके या मशीन्स का यूज़ करके उसको प्रोसेस करते हैं जैसे कि वी मेक clothes from cotton by using machines. So the whole process is called industry. Okay, very good. So for this industry, we required raw materials, machines, power supply, human labor, money and transport. So these are some things needed to set up an industry. Clear? Now come to the next, which is types of industries. So on the basis of size, industries are of three types: cottage industry, small scale industry and the large scale industry. So let's start with the first, cottage industries. So cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. Okay, a few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. So in cottage industry जो लोग होते हैं वो अपने घरों में ही स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत जो है सिंपल टूल्स के साथ और आसपास जो भी चीज़ उनको अवेलेबल होती है उनको यूज़ करके वो जो है प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं like weaving clothes, extracting oil, grinding flour and making toys, baskets and leather goods. So these are some examples which are made in the cottage industries. Now come to the next, small scale industries. So small scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. So they use few workers or few laborers and use small machines. So people work in a small factory also and they make utensils, garments, hosiery items and electrical and plastic goods. So do you know what is hosiery? So hosiery is the item such as stockings and socks which the girls wear. Okay, so this is about the small scale industries. Now come to the next, which is large scale industries. Yes, it is very important. So large scale industries employ thousands of workers. In small scale industries, they need few workers and small machines. But in the large scale industries, they require thousands of workers and big machines. And they produce in a big amount of goods. and they required highly trained workers. And large scale industries include textile mills. Textile mills, what is textile mills? Where the cloth is made. Or iron and steel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants and factories, manufacturing automobiles and railway equipment. So these are the big plants जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें बनाई जाती हैं, है ना? जैसे कपड़े बनाए जाते हैं, आयरन स्टील से मशीन्स बनाई जाती हैं, ऑयल रिफाइनरी से ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, केमिकल प्लांट्स हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे ऑटोमोबाइल्स बनाए जाते हैं, या ट्रेन के जो इक्विपमेंट्स है वो बनाए जाते हैं. तो इट इज़ अ बिग scale industries. Okay, so the large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. So now we can see the location of industries. So where it is found, it is located in areas where raw materials, which type of raw materials, we already discussed about it, like wheat, cotton, iron ore, logs of wood. Okay, so and power supply means electricity. So these type of industries are located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. Okay, now come to the next. Yes, now you can see in the map, this is the map. So here you can see some symbols here. Let's wait. See, these are some symbols. This is for textile, iron and steel, railway equipments. So using these symbols, you can find the industries in India and the location of these industries in different areas. So we can take example of textile. Okay, so textile industries are where it is. It is in Hyderabad, it is in Chennai, it is in Kochi and Tiruchirappalli, Bangalore, and no, not in Kochi, sorry, not in Kochi. Kochi, here is the shipbuilding. Okay, it is in Pune and Mumbai also, Ahmedabad and Ludhiana, Haridwar, Delhi. So these are some places where the textiles mills are located. Okay, now we can take one more examples of like electric goods. Okay, electric items. It is made in Hyderabad, Bhopal, Kanpur, Delhi, Haridwar and Kapurthala, Ludhiana. So these are some places where these type of industries are located. So now with this the help of the map, you can find all these things in the map कि कहाँ कहाँ पर जो है इंडिया में इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, किस किस चीज़ की इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं. तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस मैप फॉर फाइंडिंग दैम. ओके, that's good. So apart from this, we also find some important industries like cement industry, fertilizer industry, paper industry, and machineries and chemical industries also. So children, here this chapter is completed now. Okay, and if you have any doubt or the query, then you can put a message in the message box and I'm sure I will sort out your problem or the query. So मेरी जब तक नेक्स्ट वीडियो आती है, till then take care and bye bye.